I want to say a big thank you to Aishu with Aishu's Crafty Kids Club for inviting me to do a collaboration with her. She has been such a support and friend on my channel, and I just am so humbled to be working with her. She's amazing, and thank you again for asking me to be on this collaboration. So let's get started. We are going to do a flower pop. Let's get down to that canvas. See you there. Hi everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. We are going to be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. I will be doing a vine flower today. Make sure it's a little bit unlevel. There we go. And we're going to be working with 3 colors, and we've got Grumbacher's turquoise green, beautiful color. I have Mondo Llama, that's a paint that I get at Target, rare coin. We have the famous 24 karat gold, and I'm swiping with 24 karat gold and Tri-Art black mixed. So there's a little bit of a gold tint. Okay, so we're gonna lay down. I'm trying to think. I think I'm going to put a swipe line first on here. I made enough so that I really want the top to be distinct. All right, now we can come in with the 24 karat gold right up against that line. Good. A little bit too thick, I can tell. That's okay. I should have thinned it down some. Okay, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the rare coin right up against the gold. You would think I've learned about using so many metallics, but obviously I haven't. All right, and we're going to go in with the turquoise. Doing it in lines today, not for any specific reason. I'm hoping I get a little bit of cell action, not a lot, but a little. Usually I do with this 24 karat gold. All right, let's pop some bubbles. Go ahead and we're gonna spread this out. Kind of look at it a little bit, see. I want a little up here, a little here. I'm going to go through on these edges. Make sure they're covered. I am going to put this in a frame if it turns out. Been purchasing more and more frames. They seem to be popular with all these flower pop sales. I'm so gracious. I am getting used to a smaller table though. I needed more room. I'm doing a lot of resin work and I had to set up a station for resin, so needless to say, I think that looks good. Beautiful. Let's pop some more. Instead of quick tilt, Make sure I don't have a lot on the canvas. Looks like I've done pretty well. Move it up a bit. Get all these bubbles. Okay. Little space there. There. All right. Are you ready? Okay. A little bit more. I want a heavy line. And I've decided I'm going to use paper towel instead of plastic. So let's get paper towel. I'm going to be very good with staying on task here. All right, you ready? We're going to lay it in at the top. There we go. Here we go. Let's pull. Come on. I want a lot of bubbles in there. Nice. Not bad. Okay. Let's pour a little up here. Again. I'm going to let it go down just a bit. Tip it off. I like to keep as much as I can of the brownish gold down there. Let's see here. This corner's bare. And I made this just for this swiping, so there we go. Just bring it down just a bit. Okay, all right. Let's go up again. I'm not getting a lot of cell action. Not bad though. Let's let it set a minute. I'm gonna pop the bubbles. Pretty. Pretty. Okay, look at the cells. I'm in love with this background. It's all about the background. So I decide to use gold. I'm playing around because it is going to be busy, and I'm probably going to have to do some a little bit of work at the end or after it dries, but I'm fine with that because I just love these colors. I've never really used a brownish black background, so this is just luscious. I really like it. I'm using my cake decorator tip that I've placed on the stainless steel straw. And I'm just pushing those petals up to the top corner as far as I can. And now I'm actually going to do 2 small flowers, and I'm going to use Puffy 2000 to do that. And the reason that I've decided to do Puffy is because I have more control of the petals. The tip on Puffy is very small, and I'm able to create that overlap in a smaller version of the flower. I just like the variance that I get when I use Puffy. And I go back and forth between the straw and Puffy. And you will see as we go through these flowers how I decide that it is getting busy and how I separate it with the gold, and it just turns out stunning. So I decide I need some contrast here. So I grab my bottle of Blick Black, and I decide I'm going to try to get some distinction here, even if it's right at the base of the flower, so that when it dries, I won't have a lot of extra to do to it, but I do think it needs something in this large flower. So let's go through and get these flowers done, and I cannot wait to see you at the end result. I'm going to put some tunes on. Please stay tuned. You're going to love this one. I'll see you there.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out.
Okay, we're gonna go down for a quick close-up. I really had to work on this one, and even after it dries, I do a little bit of petal work on that top flower, but this is absolutely one of my favorites. Okay, that gold frame came in. Stay tuned for the dried frame results. See you there. Okay, I absolutely love the finished piece. These frames are gorgeous. I love it in the gold frame. I did a little bit more petal work to make that busyness be more in the background than it is. And I am thrilled with this piece. Thank you again, Aishu, from Aishu Crafty Kids Club, for inviting me to be on this fun collaboration. You're an amazing person. You're an amazing artist. And I look forward to working with you again. Take care, everybody. Till next time.